Hearty welcome, one and all. My name is Sapan Kumar Naik, research scholar working under the guidance of Professor Tapas Laha at IIT Kharagpur. The topic of my presentation is comparison of wear and corrosion properties of plasma and HVAC spread iron-based metal glass composite coatings. First of all, why iron-based metal glass coatings? It's because of their remarkable combination of mechanical and corrosion properties. They can derive the strength from metal glass structure and ductility from metallic substrates. It can be applied to really large and complex parts. These are some of the applications, starting from screw of a water pump to turbine blades, and it is really economical. However, despite of all these applying properties, the pore plasticity is limiting its industrial application. So, to improve the plasticity, nowadays iron-based metal glass composite coatings are being synthesized. Thermal spraying is one of the versatile methods that is gaining increasing attention for synthesizing such type of coating. Two major mechanical attributes of thermal sprayed composite coatings are crystallization or reduced amorphicity aspect and presence of interporosity or porosity aspect. Both of these characteristics are significantly influenced by the in-flight particle characteristics of different thermal spraying processes, basically the temperature and velocity of in-flight particles. And it is really important to investigate the effect of in-flight particle characteristics on various properties, which will ultimately help in designing new metal glass composite coatings with improved corrosion and wear properties. So, keeping the goal of this study in mind, two different iron-based MG composite coatings were synthesized using previously optimized parameters of APS and HVAC spraying processes. Further, one SS316L coating was prepared using industrially optimized parameters for comparison purpose. These are the details of wear and corrosion studies carried out on the samples to understand the different properties. Now, coming to the results part, they are the morphological details of the synthesized coatings, and it can be observed that porosity content of HVAC coating was lower than that of the APS coating due to higher kinetic energy associated with the in-flight particles during HVAC spraying. The second attribute is the crystallization aspect, and the amorphous content calculated based on the area ratio of XRD peaks was higher for APS coating because of the high thermal energy of APS process. Additionally, the results of TM investigation of the coatings further validated the inference drawn from the XRD analysis. The wear property of the coatings at a single splat level was investigated by a nanoscale study at lower level of load, and the HVAC coating exhibited lower wear volume due to the presence of higher amount of harder intermetallic phases. The global wear property was studied via dry sliding wear test, and better wear resistance was observed for HVAC coating because of lower porosity and higher hardness. And it should be pointed out here that both the metal glass composite coatings exhibited better wear properties compared to SS316L coating. Further, the corrosion behavior of the samples were analyzed using potentiodynamic polarizer study, and enhanced corrosion resistance was noticed for HVAC coating, and it can be ascribed to the denser microstructure and lower degree of crystallization than a certain critical value, which for most of the alloys is 30%. The results of AIS study also substantiated the observations of PDS analysis, and it must be pointed out here that both the metal glass composite coatings displayed enhanced corrosion resistance than the SS coating. The corroded samples were investigated to understand the corrosion mechanism, and the improved corrosion resistance of HVAC coating can be correlated with the lesser amount of corrosive attack on its surface and evolution of higher amount of protective corrosion products. To summarize, a better combination of mechanical and corrosion properties of iron-based metal glass composite coatings can be achieved by proper combination of porosity and amorphicity, and it was found to be the HVAC process in the present study. Most importantly, both the iron-based metal glass composite coatings exhibited improved wear and corrosion resistance than that of high chromium containing stainless steel coating, establishing their suitability as a low-cost surface protective coating. Thank you for your kind attention.